Hey everyone, Foxx here. Just a quick channel update to let you know that now we've hit 24,000 subscribers. Woohoo! Yes, awesome. Thank you, massive thank you to all my subscribers. Now we've hit that milestone, YouTube have made it possible for me to offer you a new way that you can support this channel with memberships. Now, I know in the past some of you have asked me about ways that you can support and help keep the channel going without going through Patreon, and I've always tried to look for ways for that to happen, but now you can. I've added some member levels that loosely match the first two Patreon support tiers. There's now a join button on the channel homepage, and if you choose to help out, you'll get a cool badge next to your name when you comment or chat, some emoticons to use in chat, more will come in the future, and access to member-only community tab posts and early access to new video content, advert-free. Now, of course, my Patreon over at patreon.com/modelmakingguru is still available, so if you prefer the rewards over there, then absolutely feel free to go for that instead. That's no problem whatsoever. I love you either way. But I wanted to give those of you who would like to support the channel another option if you're not that keen on Patreon. So please feel free to join. I love all my supporters who keep this channel and all the other things that spin off it like the Boom Hut alive and well, and I'm incredibly grateful for all the support I'm given. You guys absolutely rock. Take care and thank you for your support and being awesome. Adios, amoebas.